Hello everybody, I'm Jelmer and I'm at the beginning of the journey to the Setka Atlantic Challenge in 2029. And this is a weekly update video. In the last 2 weeks I've been modeling the Setka in Fusion 360 and I've been preparing my workspace or my workshop for receiving a CNC which will be used in the build of the Setka. I will show you a few insights in the Fusion world. But if you want to have a much more detailed view of this, I've also uploaded a long video where I recorded one session of working in Fusion 360 where I modeled one frame. If you're interested in that, just look in the playlist and you'll find it there. So let's get into Fusion, but this is the short version. So this is the model with the hull lines and the skeleton in here. And I'm starting to show you the frames which has been modeled already. And now we need to add a bit of framing in part B. And this is where we select the hull and intersect it into a sketch. And the outlines of the hull are then offset to create the complete frame as a sketch. And afterwards I will pull a square around it and extend everything, because everything will be cut off later. So here the wooden pieces are extruded, and then the hull is used to cut off the axis. And there we have it. And now we use the stringers to take out the notches. And that's the second side of the B frame done. And here we see it in 3D. And as you can see on the timer, this is almost an hour. Welcome to workshop part 1. I tell you part 1 because this workshop is not really a workshop, it's a garage. And it's actually for my car, of course, but I will still use it also to make parts. And the size of this garage is could house the boat, but you couldn't move around anymore. And the other place where I can work on the boat is where the shark still is. And I will have this place, it's outside as well, and I build a big tent over the boat. I can hang the boat in this tent as well, and the trailer is underneath it, and we'll use it to build the actual boat. But for now it's too cold and it's not epoxy friendly, and I don't have parts yet. And the parts will be made here in this garage, and the CNC will come here in this garage. And let me show you how I plan to do this. So on this side I have a hoist, an electrical hoist, because the CNC is a bit over 100 kilograms. So I cannot lift it by myself. And the floor space is just not large enough to have the CNC set up permanently. The car wouldn't fit in anymore. So when the CNC is in use, I just leave it. I let it down and use the CNC. When I'm done with the CNC, I can hoist it up here and it will move so to the wall, and then the car can get in beside it. So let's hope that works. The CNC is quite big. It's 150 by 150. Outer dimensions, I guess it's a bit more even. And the cutting area is 130 by 130-ish. So I cannot cut a full sheet, but you can just, if you need to cut a full sheet, you can start with one side, and then when that's finished, you move it over and you get the other side. Right. So the CNC is planned to be coming in tomorrow. I'm not sure if this will happen, but UPS says they will deliver tomorrow. Tomorrow is a Monday, I have to work tomorrow, but yeah. So what I need to do now is prepare the room so nothing is in the way and I can just easily start assembling the CNC. So that was a quick cleanup session in the workshop. I think I'm now ready to receive the CNC and start building it together. I think this will take some time to build it together because it's thousands of screws and whatever. But let's hope the delivery is complete and undamaged and we can start building the CNC and use it. So that was it for this week. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you'll stick around for the rest of the journey to the Setka Atlantic Challenge 2029. Bye.